Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C450 AMG. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you dynamic LED headlights with active curve illumination and adaptive high beam assist. For wheels, we've got 18-inch AMG alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around the rear, we've got a rear spoiler. C450 badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with blind spot assist. Also included is the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a Burmeister sound system, a natural grain black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an AMG LED logo which appears when you open the door, Mercedes-Benz illuminated door. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with the interior package, which is going to give you the leather upholstery, heated seats, and ambient lighting and illuminated door sills, as stated earlier. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. Let's go ahead and put it in Sports Plus to hear that exhaust. Sounds great. We got our volume button. We can adjust our suspension with this button. This C450 has 40,900 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C450, check out feldmanimports.com.